Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renata and this is RunningNStyle. Today's video is all about the Make 9 2018. I took quite a while to decide what I wanted to make, so if you guys are interested, please keep watching. Okay, so what you guys see right now is my 2017 pieces that I wanted to make, and those were my 9. As you can see, I completed 5 out of them, and I think what I want to do going forward is make the blue birder style down there and the cigarette pants and the top. So I'm going to make those 3 pieces. I just feel like they were on my 9 from last year and I still want to make them, so I'm going to carry over those pieces. The black dress, that's up in the air. I may not do that, but I'm just saying those are carryovers. They're not my official 2018 pieces, so let's take a look at the official ones that I've chosen to do for this year. So my first 3 pieces are all from McCall's. It's from their new collection. I don't have these pattern pieces. I'll have to pick them up soon. But the first one I have here that I really want to make is McCall's M7724. I really love this design. I think it's so fashion forward. I'm not sure which piece within this pattern I'm going to make, but I'm definitely going to make one of these. I love all the designs. I'm really interested in design A. I think that's so funky. I believe that's kind of my style. I'm thinking something like that would work really well in a solid color, something really light, basic. So a blue, maybe in a perma-cotton, maybe in a perma-cotton, something like that. So that's the first. The next pattern that I'm interested in is, let's go over here quickly, is McCall's M7723. I love that that tied sleeve. It's so cute, and then all the bell at the end. I think that's really a cute design, so that is my second pick. And then my third pick is actually M7717. Dress A is so pretty. I think it's going to look fantastic in anything that has a little elastine in it. It'll definitely, you know, it will hug you in the right places, but it will have a really good recovery and it will fall nicely. So if you can make anything with that fabric that has a little elastine in it, that would work really well. Now, I don't have these patterns, so I'm not exactly sure of the fabric requirements. I'm just guessing on that one. I think McCall's came out with an amazing line, so I'm only going to pick 3 from them for my pick 9. So let's move on to the next pieces. My fourth pick is the Bloomsburg from Nina Lee Patten. I really like this one because it's a very feminine, romantic piece. I love all the ruffles on it, and one of the main reasons is I'm not a ruffly person. So I like ruffles, but I think where it's located in that, I don't usually wear my pieces like that, so I think that will be challenging because I feel like a piece like that, you have to have the right proportion to fit. I have a lot of, my shoulders are very square, so it's really, I have this athletic build, so my shoulders are really square, so I'm always worried when there's any sort of ruffles around here. Not sure if I can pull it off, but I'm interested in this pattern, so I'm putting this as my number 4 and we'll see if I get it done. I'm hoping to get all these 9 pieces done in the first 6 months of the year. I I feel like last year I kind of pushed it and pushed it and pushed it, and I think the best thing to do with something like this is to just do them as the months progress versus like pushing it back, because then you get to the point where other patterns come out or something else happens and you just change your mind. So I'm going to be, you know, focused. I just got back. I had to go find the pieces. I had to go find the patterns. Okay, I have 4. I believe I was at 4. And I have 4 more to share with you. So, here we go. My next Make 9 is the Donna Karan V1440. This is the one that I would like to make. I really love the version B. Let's see if I can bring that in there. Version B right over there. I like the back of this. It has a really nice back. It's X. It's very unique design, and I've always wanted to make this pattern. So I've always wanted to make this pattern because I love that version B. I think it's got a really nice detail and it's a basic top. So I want to do another one of my pick, and I think this is kind of like a wild card for me because it's really fashion forward, but I think it would be a really fun piece for the spring season because it just looks like a coat, but it isn't. It's a dress. So it's Vogue 1239. I really like the details on the sleeve. I think it's a fantastic piece and I would love to make that. So let's keep our fingers crossed and see if I can get it done. The next 2 pieces are, I keep saying pieces like if I've cut these things out already. The next pattern is Vogue 8789. There is, I really like version B. I've always tried and said that I'm making a vintage pattern and it always falls through, so I'm hoping that this year I get it completed. The next pattern that I'm interested in, this is really an older pattern and it's quite interesting because it's a bridal pattern, but I'm taking it for the bodice. I really like that neckline in version A. This is a McCall's 3933. I'm not sure what year it's from, but it's not a recent one, so this is it. I hope you can see that neckline right there. So those are the 8 of my 9 makes for this tag. The thing is, I'm keeping a block open because I want to have a free card just because I think it'll be kind of cool. So I have a free card. I am putting a free card in my Make 9. One of my Make 9 is free cards. You guys don't know what it is, so I can pick whatever I want. I haven't done a video in so long. It's difficult to get back into the swing of making these things, so let's see how this turns out when I start to edit. But yes, those are my Make 9. Well, my Make 8 plus 1, but those are the pieces, really. Those are the designs and patterns that I would like to complete for this challenge. I hope to do it in the first 6 months. Like I said before, I feel like if I push it out any further, new patterns come out, different things happen, different fabric comes into your hand, and you just change. a lot of changes. This is clothing. We take things on and off, so that's the nature of this. So I think if I can get it done in the first 6 months of the year, that will be a good thing for me. Plus I already have the broad forward, the 2 broad forwards from last year. So technically I have 11, but we'll just keep those 2 in the shadows for now. There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a super rambly one, I think, but I think it's just coming off of the Christmas break and getting back in the full swing of things. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoy making it for you. If you do like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Follow RunningNStyle on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. And if I don't make it in time to see this on my November Makes video, this is my South Bank, the white version that I'm wearing right here. I'm not sure if I'll put it in the video because I didn't have a lot of time to get that recorded, but this is the end of my video, right? Okay, have a wonderful one. Bye.